Hello guys, Pina Colada here, and we're doing Dragon Ball Z Roblox. It's pretty damn fun. And, I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, it's very addictive, that's why I'm not playing Fortnite right now. I just want to be very powerful, even though it's not a skill-based game. It's just, who can give a toss the longest is pretty much the game. I'm level 100 and I'm pretty powerful. Soon not a lot, but kind of. I'll pair Ultra Instinct, I'm nowhere near, but be quite a high level, because if you this is like island or planet, world, or world 7, it's like not really a lot of things. Like get to 4-digit like XP to 5, and you can go to different places. Like you can go to the time chamber, but you have to pay money and go get to Vegeta. I really want to do that because, as you can see, I have Vegeta's hair style is pretty damn good. I wish it didn't cost money to go to see Vegeta and fight him. I think he's like level 70, and I'll probably beat him easily. So I can go Saiyan. This is set like 2. See, I'm like, damn, pretty powerful, Harry. But then, like, you just gain double your power, you're insane, Harry. And now if I, boom, 3 times powerful, so pretty damn great. Also, it's kind of like a hard video, what I'm going to explain. That people, they're just people that make videos on this game just to piss people off, like trying to go Super Saiyan or get the species. So none of them say how to do it, but nobody knows if you need to speak to someone. But it's a hard video to explain that as well. If you find the video, I'll go show you how. So you know at the spawn where you first start, behind the house or at the side, talk to this guy. You can change character, hair, and species, get tail, and you can also get the I have here to check people's power for free. But I didn't want to But when you do it, your whole thing will be reset, like your level and everything. But if you get past a certain level, so if I go here, all of this will be. I don't have to do it, but say if one species can do this, then if I had it in this thing, when I change pieces, I could do it. So you pretty much can have every transform and transform anything. Get all these auras, you'll be overpowered if you spent a lot of hours. So it's like another type of pod. There's other one. So each pod, or to note if it's a pod, that you just go to it the first time ever, you'll probably get levels from it. So this is mine, just basic level 100. It's like the first one you can never go to. So just go, click here, or load it in. It's like Piccolo's family and species. Like instead of 5-digit level or how much XP you'll get, this is 6 digits. I've got 8 levels from it, so that doesn't seem like a lot, but it is, because the higher you get, or the higher level you get, the most games it's going to be harder to level up. I can go in here. Right, so I'm going to talk to this child. It's pretty much that's 5 digits, but it's usually 15000 instead of 80000. The other one, just the first 15000, then add the other 0. So that's a lot of damage. So okay, it's some ones that I don't. The only one was, so some of them it marks you where you are, but some of them don't. But I can't read, as some of you know. I don't know where it is, or I don't know what the names are, but Mr. Popo, nobody really knows if you go up to that little sky base type thing. Go there, see Mr. Popo, and just, you want to do that challenge, because a lot of people go up there because all the powerful ones go up there, over level 400. So then there's little like portal near I forgot his name, but anyway, go to him, then just go through the portal. There's so much people, and also if you remove this, I'll just remove this quickly. You take that off. So this is like the original POW type thing. If you don't have this, so this kind of reads. So the bigger it is, the powerful they are. So it's like big guy here, but then you look at that, and that's just shit. And the lighter they are, the powerful they are. So if we go here, so this guy was going to give me quite a lot of levels, but oh, it's a girl. My bad. I also love you, Ella. I'm going to visit you 4 times for the money I got, so that's great. Okay, let's go. I got this today. Pretty damn. So you talk to this guy in one of the spawns, and you'll just gain so much levels. Like, it costs like billions any, or that double mine, and then you just gain like 5 levels. Alright. Okay then, fine. Okay, let's see this guy flying. Come on. Come on, you can do it. I forgot what species he is, an humanoid, or what is supposed to be his name, because he got the exact fin, but he's big buff form. Okay, you go on, buff. No, don't. Oh, this is a fin that's not very nice. Oh, okay, thank you. I didn't even hurt you once. I said hello. Oh, instant punch in the face, you bitch. Anyway. So one like you are doing a challenge and you've got somebody, the lowest fin ever, took you hours, and somebody just punches it like halfway through when you got her, and it's like, are you just really did that? That's what I don't do that to people. It's just okay. So power meter, or wherever it is, I forgot what it's called. It doesn't. It just shows everybody's power level is 0. Sometimes it shows the actual one. Doesn't really work, but here's a better one. If it blinds you, makes you have a spaz attack, don't fight. That's fine, but you look at that and don't fight him. So now, if it's gonna respawn, I'm gonna fight this person. And wait till my health goes all back, and if you respawn, please. Or, do you know he's still fighting now? Yeah. How low is she? Because there are other games like this, like there's respawn the moment they die, but in this one they don't. Okay, why are you fighting her again? There's no point. The challenge, only fight her once. Okay. You know what? I know it's like not nice to button, but that's. Sorry, bruv. Bruv, I'm sorry. Bruv, I'm sorry, bruv. Bruv. I hate people do that to me, but sometimes I just can't help it. And for that, I shall let him kill me. Let's talk to this person first. And let's see how much XP from that. You're like, that's a lot of damage. Ooh. It says, oh, don't do this to people. Guys immediately does it. Yeah, learn from my mistakes, everyone. It's like, you're just being a bitch if you do it. Now, if somebody does it to you, you can do it all the way. Right, just piss them off, because it's teach them a bloody lesson. It just gives you depression. Oh, Mum, this took me 1 hour and somebody killed him. Can I do it again? Yeah, sure, honey. Alright. Oh, we have to kill. Ooh. Ooh. 200, alright. No, I'm not. What? So this one, my powerful one. What's the second one you can do? That's the one I just did now, but you know, so I upgraded it. It's improved, so you have to spam F every something point seconds to do this. So I just have to. No. It takes a minute. There we go. So I'm just going to constantly do this because it's fun. It doesn't improve your power in the slightest. You just like your key high is blue, and that's your energy. But that runs out, you can't do it again. But if you do this, gains back, and my hair slightly grows on this one. Just gonna come on. You wanna go, bruv? You think you're hard? You think he's a Smurf? I'm fighting a literal Smurf. Come on, bruv. And you ever like look at this like, channels and like, oh, here are the Dragon Balls. Oh yeah, yeah, it spawns here. No, they're so stupid. Do you know? If people have picture video proof of it all different locations, it's a random spawn. Like nobody understands that it would be a random spawn. So if you're like trying to find the Dragon Balls, you came to the wrong place because you just have to look randomly. There's no like videos kind of do help because sometimes when somebody uses them, the new spawn will be there. That's got major lag. Harmy, oh sugar. Harmy, ha. That's my weakest Harmy. It's quite small as you can see. Got him quite low. He's apparently turning black. It kills you. Damn. That's a bad thing I can ever say. Ooh. Damn. Anyway, let's put my headpiece back on. I also got a One Punch Man outfit. I don't know if that was my old account or, as I said, you have to reset your oh no, got it. One Punch Man. You have to reset your levels, or you have to reset your whole account to like change your species. That's pretty damn annoying. What's this? Also, what's pretty good with this one? So the first one, bigger it is, lighter it is, the closer they are. But I'm not really going to use that. So this really, like, you can look for them through walls and you can see them. So that's really good. Track your friends or don't know where they went. It's a good way to do it. Well, this looks really nice. I'm just gonna go in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks like I have green hair. That's pretty nice. Well, it looks better if I do this. Hang on. Okay, now if it looks so nice. So we're just going to explore, do levels. Already, like, almost done my recording limit of how much I can do. Almost completely done it. Well, here we see a guy with the... I forgot his name, whoever has this is Goku's brother. Actually, no, it's not Goku's brother. He was born on the same day. My bad. But it's like... you can... If I'm like level 20 and he's level 1, he can beat me, so... The difference of strength and... You know, I'm gonna fight him. Hey, brother, I'm gonna fight you, bro. Come here, come here. The lightest green ever. God damn, you're faster than me. I have... Actually, no. Doesn't matter. What? So... It doesn't seem I'm getting any faster. Like, first do this same speed, but spend money, you're magically 10 times faster. Like, shit. Ooh. Big man. Big chap. I want to know. What have you been feeding him? Look at his faces. Oh. Alright. Who do I have to fight? Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. We'll just probably have to go out soon and it takes a while to record. So, love you a lot and hope you enjoyed, and bye.